What's up guys, David from ABI here with Tim at the New York Auto Show. Here we got the new 2023 WRX, the most controversial vehicle here, just from the exterior views, but let's take a look. Nice sharp headlights there, design with the grille looks really good. Just the plastic cladding at the bottom is kind of overdone in my opinion, and most people's opinions too.
The 2022
fog lights with it too, and here you got your intercooler to push cool air through that turbo. 4-cylinder turbo, I believe, pushed in around 271. Yeah, 271 horsepower. So you get a little bump from the previous WRX, not too much to make a huge difference. And from my opinion, just this plastic cladding all around doesn't really make up for that difference. And it's sad to see that they discontinued with the older generation model, because that's the most desired. That's going to go up in value. But here inside we got a leather matched with suede, and you got a big center screen there. This really turned away from being like a car enthusiast type of car. And at least you do get it with a manual, but this one has like the Subaru CVT. Nice Recaro seats, nothing really going on in the back, but I mean, I'll give it some credit. It does look better in person, but definitely you got to pick your colors right. Maybe it'll look good with all black. I mean, and let's turn around over here. You got a nice, not so nice spoiler. I wish it kind of reached out all the way to the end and it was just more flush with the trunk lid, but it's just not really my taste. You do get a gloss black going around the taillights, which looks kind of nice. It's like mimicking the brake lights, that everyone else is doing. But then, just back here, so much plastic cladding. It just, they're making the WRX like off-roady, which does make sense. It's World Rally experimental, they're rally cars. You do have space for like a third or a fog light, and they do come with quad tip exhausts. These are round, but you do, as you can see on the other WRX, you do get like a hexagonal type exhaust tip. But I'm not sure if that changes the exhaust tone. I'm not sure. But yeah, if you guys like the WRX, let us know in the comments. And just like that, ABI out.